So over the past 40 years, SAP has been incredibly successful in solving complex business problems for companies and governments. As proud as SAP is of the past, they also need to focus on the future and address the new reality. And the reality is that the world's changing, but it's also making SAP more relevant than ever. There's about 5 million people becoming the middle class, and with increased wealth, this is going to mean a massive increase in demand for natural resources, infrastructure, healthcare, and education. There's over 15 billion web-enabled devices, and there's even more mobile devices than people, believe it or not. And also a little fun fact is that data is doubling every 18 months. And with that, that means that SAP really needs to have a focus on mobility, on the cloud, and also analytics. And also, a little bit more information, our industry is changing. The major players are consolidating while niche players are innovating at a rapid pace. So this means that ERP is best positioned to provide a new category of solutions to solve the business problems of the future, and that thinking has to start now. Customer priorities and requirements are shifting as businesses expect more innovations and better solutions delivered in a very different way than we have in the past. And that's a little bit about SAP now, so I'm going to turn it over to Tanya.
Thanks, Tracy. So you've called into this webinar. You probably understand what SAP is and why it's so valuable, but I just want to hit you with a few more facts. SAP has over 238,000 customers in more than 188 countries, and they're currently ranked by Forbes as one of the most powerful brands and innovative companies. You can understand why this is such a popular career track and why it's important to get ahead. So without a doubt, no matter if you're a business user, a configurator, or developer on a project, SAP is a launching pad for a successful career. And in order to be successful, ERP projects require a lot of leadership and effective change management. Leadership opportunities are everywhere on SAP projects. There's more communication and data availability, and that's creating the perfect environment for professionals that are eager to learn and contribute. And unlike traditional IT projects, ERP projects require even more involvement and coordination from all departments in a company and all levels of the company. Each business process has to be documented and optimized to fit into SAP. As you're going through business process redesign, teams are removing inefficiencies, defining responsibilities, and documenting tribal knowledge. This is all building the perfect environment for you to develop into a professional. And as a junior project team member, you can more easily gain exposure to project and company leadership on an SAP project. There's status reporting where you have an opportunity to report to company leadership. And if you're escalating risks and issues to project management, you can work on your communication skills and start to gain more leadership experience.